everyone, my name is Amaris Kamani and PM 2341110X. I'm from Management 23B. Here I will explain about material probability. So enjoy watching to my video, guys. What is a probability? In everyday life, there are many situations where someone needs to predict an event. Therefore, probabilities is needed. Probability is number one status the possibility of an event occurring. In the other words, the chances of different event occurring can be measured using probability, and one of the purpose is to make decision. In this application, probability is used to analyze various phenomena with mathematical calculation. No expectation. In the business world, which often focus uncertainty, probability can help make discussion object and based on data. Instead of just relying on its instinct. The purpose of probability. The purpose of probability is to quantitative uncertainty by making predictions or hypotheses, so that one can take decision according. Number one, predict a result. Probability is asked to make prediction about future event. For exclaim by analyzing past data and calculating probabilities. One can make prediction about what may happen in the future. 2. Make decision. With probability, one can make decision in situation full of uncertainty by calculating probability. Optimal decision can be made based on existing data. Number 3, testing hypothesis. Probability can also be asked to test hypotheses and draw conclusion from data by calculating probabilities. Certain result can be obtained under different conditions so that the validity of the hypothesis can be evaluated. Next, probability formula. In general, probability is described as the ratio between the probability of expected event and the total number of the positive event. P dalam kurung A tuh describe the probability of change of event A. And dalam kurung A is the number of event A that are the risk to occur. And dalam kurung S is a possible event. The greater the probability value, the more like an event is occurred. For exclaim an event with probability number of 0,1 is less like to occur than an event with probability number of 0,9. Probability benefit. Probability has broad benefit in various areas of life, both theoretical and practical. Here is in the explanation of the benefit of probability. Number 1, better decision making. In the situation full of uncertainty, probability help individual and organization make more rational decision. Exclaim campaigns as probability to analysis investment risks or determine the most effective marketing strategies. Number 2, risk analysis. Probability is also to measure and mitigate risks in research and banking and project management. Exclaim insure companies as probability to determine premises based on likelihood of a claim occurring. 3. Future prediction. Probability help predict future outcome based on history data. Exclaim. Meteorology asset probability to predict to weather, such as the change of rain or a storm. Number 4. Modeling in science. Probability is the basis for statistics and data analysis, allowing a scientist to make inference from sample data and understand patterns. Exclaim. In biology, probability is asset to predict the chances of inheritance of genetic traits based on medal laws. 5. Business process optimization. In the business world, probability is asset to forecast product demand, optimize inventory, and improve operational efficiency. Exclaim. Probability can help in queuing simulation to reduce customer waiting time at restaurant or banks. Number 6. Game development and simulation. Probability is asset to make the game more interesting by adding an element of uncertainty. Exclaim. These arcade games rely on probability to determine outcomes. 7. Preparation of public policy. Probability help government is design policy based on statistical data and certain probabilities. Exclaim. The probabilities of disease spread is asset to develop vaccination strategies. Conclusion. Probability provides a powerful foundation for understanding and dealing with uncertainty in a variety of situations. By leveraging probability, individual, organization, and government can make wiser decisions, predict events more accurately, and manage risks effectively. This makes probability an important tool in the development of technology, business, science, and everyday life. Statistical probability is a branch of mathematics that studies uncertainty and patterns in data that appear in various phenomena or events. In this context, probability refers to measuring the likelihood of an event occurring, while statistics refers to the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data. Number 1. Probability as a basis of decision making. Probability provides a mathematical foundation for better decision making in situations of uncertainty by knowing the probability of event occurring. Individual or organization can plan optimal action to reduce risks and maximize desired outcomes. Concepts such as conditional probability in the law of total probability and Bayes' theorem are essential for calculating odds in more complex situations. Number 2. Descriptive and inferential statistics. Statistics in divide into two main parts, descriptive and inferential. Descriptive statistics are asset to describe and summarize existing data, such as measure of data countering and measure of distribution. Meanwhile, inferential statistics in asset to draw consolation or make prediction about population based on existing data sample by using probability description, hypothesis testing, and parameter estimation. Inferential statistics allow us to make broad generalization or deduction from limited data. 3. Probability distribution. One of the key concepts in probability is the probability description, which describes how likely an event is to occur in sample space. Some descriptions that are often used in statistics include the normal distribution, binomial distribution, and Poisson distribution. Understanding this distribution is very important in data analysis, especially in term prediction and parameter estimation. That's all I can explain on this material. I'm Mariska Malani. Would like to thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.